As a rule of thumb, always ensure that you tailor your resume to match the company requirements. Hello everyone, are you looking to break into the world of data science? Well, an internship is a tried and tested way to begin a successful and rewarding career in data science. And in this video, we'll give you our top 5 tips to land a dream data science internship. So let's get started. There's no substitute of hard work, right? As a budding data scientist, you need to be proficient in required technical skills like Python, SQL, and various machine learning concepts. In fact, on our Analytics Vidhya channel, we have provided you with a whole bunch of free courses to master these skills. I'll put a link to our free courses in the description part below for your ready reference. Once you are done acquiring these technical skills, next comes end-to-end projects. By completing projects that involve data cleaning, model building, and deployment, you will garner ability to tackle real-world data science problems end-to-end. If you want to know what specific machine learning projects you could do as a beginner, refer to this detailed video we have done on this particular topic. For every project you do, make it a practice to document your work on GitHub. This not only helps you gain visibility within the data science community, but also helps you improve your technical writing skills. In fact, to take your technical writing game one step further, look out for possibilities to publish research papers in reputed IEEE journals, maybe by teaming up with your college mates and professors. Hey, before we go further, if you are finding these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more career advice and insights into the world of data science. Now, let's move on to tip number 3. Once you have gained some experience in solving end-to-end machine learning problems, the next skill you need to master is working in a time-bound manner. In the corporate world, you will be required to plan your work as per the specified project timelines. So it's very important that you get used to time-bound way of working at this stage. And what better way to do this than to participate in online data science competitions organized by Kaggle and Data Hack, as well as hackathons. These events are a great way to test your skills and learn from others within the community. Plus, this can be an excellent addition to your resume. As a professional networking platform, LinkedIn allows you to connect with professionals in the data science field, join relevant groups, and engage in discussions, enabling you to stay up to date on industry trends and be aware of various internship opportunities. Apart from LinkedIn, Glassdoor is another popular platform where you may kickstart your search for suitable data science internships. As a rule of thumb, always ensure that you tailor your resume to match the company requirements. For example, if you are applying in a fintech company, ensure that you put specific fraud detection or credit scoring related projects that you may have done on top, followed by others. We have done a separate video on LinkedIn tips to get you a job in 2023. Do check it out. Tip number 5 is to be well prepared for interviews. Have sound clarity on questions like, why do you want this internship? How can you contribute to the team? What makes you a good fit for this particular role? As additional pre-work, practice explaining the projects you may have done so far, and be ready to solve case studies or technical problems during the interview stage. The more prepared you are, the more confident and convincing you will be. Also, try connecting with folks within your target company at least few days prior to your interview, understanding what they do and guidance on your forthcoming interview. Remember, you miss 100% of the chances you don't take. Here's an additional bonus tip for you. Data science is a constantly evolving field, and you need to stay on top of the latest developments, tools, and techniques. Regularly read technical blogs, watch webinars, and follow thought leaders in the industry to ensure you are always informed and prepared for new challenges. Before we wrap up, do give this video a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful, and share it with your friends who might also be looking for data science internships. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Best of luck in your search, and remember, every successful data scientist started somewhere, so keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.